What sets Concept Systems apart from its competitors is the people. There isn't any of us that know everything, but as a group, there isn't anything we can't conquer. We are doing cutting edge stuff all the time. Cutting edge is really kind of putting it lightly. We're on the bleeding edge. We're always doing things that other people cannot do. I would almost say that sometimes we invent technology. We hear about things, how things are being done, and then we take that and we take it one step farther.
We kind of push the limits of different technologies. We take difficult solutions on and come up with ways to deal with them that are really daring, that kind of push boundaries and that really get our customers excited about what we're doing because it's not something they've seen over and over and over again.
Customers come to us with some pretty unique problems to solve, and it can be challenging to solve those problems on time within a customer's budget. So it's almost like doing a puzzle every time a customer comes and says, hey, we need to do this, we have to do it in a certain time frame, and it needs to meet this performance spec. We have a broad range of engineers from mechanical, electrical, controls. We've got robotics guys, we've got people that can do just about anything from an engineering perspective. We have some software engineers on staff, so just the diversity of our engineering staff and the sheer number of engineers. We have over 60 engineers on staff at the time. I would say that's what sets us apart.